Yes, children, take your volume, open S4, look at that picture. What do you see in this picture here? What do you think has happened here? Would you like to sit near your desk whether this place is like this? Yes, here we can see the dustbin. The dustbin was very dirty. Yes or no, children? All the papers are thrown outside the dustbin. If our class was very dirty with the papers, can we sit properly in the class, children? No. How we want to keep our classroom clean? Yes, today our topic is about taking care of the school. Yes, children, what we are learning? We are learning about taking care of the school. We have seen in the volume, isn't it? What we have seen? Yes, there are some places are very dirty. Yes or no? Now tell me how to keep our classroom or school clean. Yes, how means throw the waste papers in the dustbin. We should throw the waste papers in the dustbin and should not throw in the classroom. And do not write on the desk. We should not write anything on the desk with the pencil. Okay. Do not leave the fan lights on when no one in the classroom. Yes, when we go to washroom or go to the playground, we should off the lights, fans, everything, and then we should leave the room. Okay, children, now tell me what are the ways in which we can take care of our school? Yes, we have so many ways. We should not throw the waste papers in the classroom, and we should not write anything on the desk, and also we should off the lights, fans whenever we are not in the classroom and when we go outside. Yes, children, now tell me how do the other people in the school take care of the school? Yes, not only we, our maid and sweepers also clean the school, and teacher also will not throw the desk, papers or waste papers in the classroom. They throw in the dustbin itself. Okay, children, all the people in the school take care of the school. Now tell me, if we have the canteen, do we have the canteen? No. But tell me, if we have the canteen, how we should take care of that canteen? Yes, we should not throw the food grains on the bench. We should throw them in the dustbin, and we should keep the canteen clean by not throwing the food grains. Isn't it, children? Yes, this is the Yes, see here I am showing the pictures ways to take care of our school. We should not write on the wall of the school, and we should throw the waste materials in the dustbin. When we are going out from the classroom, we should turn off the lights. See the classroom how neat it is. Yes, we should keep our classroom clean and neatly by throwing the waste papers in the dustbin, not in the classroom. And we should not pluck the flowers in the garden. Okay, children, these all are the ways we should take care of the school. Okay, children? Yes. Open your textbook, children. Keep finger. Ways to take care of the school. We need to take care of our school. Some of the ways to take care of our school are: keep the classroom clean, throw the waste in the dustbin, do not write on the walls doors and desk. Switch off all fans and lights when you go out of the classroom. Take care of the school furniture. Did you know? In boarding schools, students live in the school campus with other students and teachers instead of going home after school. Yes, children, now open your volume, page number 17. Write the date. Taking care of school. First one, write 2 ways to take care of the school. See children, we have learnt now what should we take care. Okay, that one you should write any 2 points. I can take care of my school by write any 2 points. Okay children, see the second one. Take the activities that you should do in the school. Number 1, if it is correct, you keep the tick. Okay Nana? Yes. First one A, write on the desk. Number B, throw waste in the dustbin. Number C, kick the door of the classroom. Number D, switch off the light and fans when going out of the classroom. E, keep the walls of the classroom clean. Okay, you should keep the ticks which one is the correct activity. Number 3, write 2 ways to take care of the library. We have library, how we should take care of the library, you should write here. Okay children? Yes.